Don't mind my edges. Hey y'all, it's your girl Tiara here, and today I'm back with another video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. If you're not new here, welcome back. Hey girl, hey. So y'all, I look crazy, but I'm gonna fix my hair up later. I took my nails off. I did get my eyebrows done yesterday. They look too good. And this is why I like to let them grow out for a long time, so that when they clean it up, it looks nice and thick. Because I don't know how to do no eyebrows. I don't know how to do all that. So, my mama, with Kendall and Dixie, she in there playing her numbers child. So, she in there taking forever. I even walked into Rainbow to see if I could find like a top. I kind of wanted to wear like a vest top with some jeans. That's the kind of look I was going for. But they didn't have any in my size because of course my boobies is big. They had a large, but I needed an extra large, and then they didn't have none in plus size. So I'm just probably going to wear I got this see-through black shirt, and then I'm wear my black bra and then my cargos. Or I might just wear my jeans. I don't know. I'm going to see. I don't know if I want to do black on black or just do black on jean. Or I could wear my fringe pants. Those might could work. I might do black on black. Yeah, I might do black on black. So she and when Dixie still, it's Mother's Day is tomorrow. I'm not doing nothing. So tonight, well, let me back up. So tonight I'm supposed to go out bowling. So that's why I said the type of look I was going for. So we're supposed to be going bowling tonight with the girls I went on Mother's Day trip to NOLA last year. I'm gonna insert a little swan clip because honey, we had a time, okay? She really great. But yeah, y'all, we had a time in New Orleans, and I've been hanging out with the girls. Like, we hang out from time to time because obviously our schedules is busy as hell. But we were supposed to do like hibachi night for Mother's Day, but our schedules all didn't work out. So we ended up canceling it, and then for today, it was last minute. It seems like when we do stuff at the last minute, it works out. Because even we went out a couple of weeks ago, and it was at the last minute. So yeah, child. But we going bowling, and then they said we might go out after, which I feel like we are. And if you know me, then it's like, I don't know the last time I've been out at night. Like, I like to do the daytime thing. So, but I'm off weekends now, so hey. Oh, and I quit my work from home job, so I do not work there anymore. I now work at my daughter's school. So now I have weekends off, and it feels so good. And I get off early in the day. Like, it feels so good. So God, thank you so much. Now, it's not something I'm gonna be doing forever, but I'm most likely gonna go back to school for something, because I need more dinero, okay? And me and my baby, we getting older, and my daughter need her own space. So, and I just want more out of life. I don't want to be stagnant, you know? But yeah, child. So, what time is it? It's 10:50. Her dad is supposed to come get her clothes. So I don't plan on doing nothing. I just want to relax, watch some TV shows. I see there's a show that people talking about on Netflix. It's a love show. It has 8 episodes, so I'm probably gonna binge watch that. I'm gonna do my nails. I'm gonna do my lashes. And yeah, I low-key want to get a vanity. Like, I just want to sit somewhere and do my nails. Like, I don't want to sit at the dining room table to do my nails, or, you know. Child, what is she doing? But yeah, Mother's Day is tomorrow. I don't plan on doing nothing. My mom had got me some scratch offs and some wine and some money Oh, and a Chipotle gift card. Oh my god, I'm so happy about that. Like, I don't even need much. And she kept asking me what I wanted for Mother's Day. I was like, I don't want nothing but sleep, child. I don't want nothing. And then I had got her. She asked for a gift card. No, she asked for scratch offs, and I got some flowers, and I made Malia write her a card. But that's it. Like, what do you get a mom that has everything, you know? Like, I mean, I feel like, honestly, if I was more blessed abundantly financially, I would probably get her something really, really, really nice. But, of course, like, me and my mom, like, you know, we have what we have, but we're appreciative of what we give each other. Like, and it's like, what else do I get this lady? I was even thinking of getting her like Tory Burch sandals or something like that, but she has a whole bunch of them already. So it's like, what else do I get her? And then like, I was like, do you want a new purse? She was like, no, I don't want a new purse. So it's like, whatever. But nonetheless, so tomorrow I'm just gonna cook some shrimp and grits for her. And then we're gonna have some wine. That's it of me rambling, y'all. I will talk to y'all later. Oh, here she come now. But I'll talk to y'all later. I'll probably do a montage of me doing my nails and my lashes. So TTYL. Hey y'all. I took me a good old nap, okay? A good one. Ooh, sorry. So I did my nails, as y'all can see. Now I'm about to get up and drink me some water, and then I'm gonna do my lashes. That was a good ass nap. Oh my god. Ooh, child. That was a good nap. I will come back to y'all when I do my lashes. Hey y'all. I need to get some white light in here, but I'm gonna get that next. That's my next project. Get some white lights. Y'all, I finished my lashes and I need to start getting ready. It's 8:54 and I'm supposed to be there at 10. Oh, I think 9:30 because we're supposed to pregame, but child, I'm gonna pregame while I'm driving. And I wanna do my makeup, so yeah, I'm gonna come back to y'all when I'm done. I had a timer to start getting ready like 10 minutes ago, but then my daughter called me, so I spent those 10 minutes talking to her. So yeah, like always, I'm a mama first. So let me start getting ready, and I would like to record with y'all, but I don't think that's gonna happen. So I'll come back. Hey you guys, I made it. I'm running late. I feel bad. So I don't even know if they got inside. Let me text. Hold on. BRB.
This one is for the boys in the polos. Entrepreneur niggas in the mogos. Think about with the crew, he can sound loud. When I think I like I better when he's out loud. When I think I like I better with the fitted cap on. He ain't even gotta try to put the Mac on. You just gotta give me that look. When you give me that look, then the penny's coming out. Excuse me, you're a hell of a guy. You know I really got a thing for American guys. I mean, sigh. Sickening eyes. I can tell that you're in touch with your feminine side. Yes I did, yes I did. Somebody please tell him who the F I is. I am Nicki Minaj, I mack them dudes up. Then coops up and chop the dudes up. My heartbeat running away. The trouble is turning away.
Right here, laying in my bed. Good morning, y'all. Ooh, a little crusty over here. I didn't come back to y'all last night. I need to do my lashes over right here because it fell off, and over here. Child, I ain't get home till like almost 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm motherfucking tired. I just made me and my mama some shrimp and grits. I got me some wine, a mimosa. I'm about to drink that, chill, relax, and watch TV, bed rot all day. I may organize some stuff today, but I don't know. Honestly, I probably feel like I'm not. Last night was fun. For the charger. Last night was fun. What was I gonna say? I don't even know. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna. Last night was fun, but we was trying to go out after bowling, but that didn't work out. Like, why all these places charging $30, $40 to get in, and then still make you pay for parking? Ciao, boo. But yeah, I'm about to just relax all freaking day like it's nobody's business, okay? I just talked to my daughter on the phone. She was like, I want to come to the Brown house. I'm like, I'm sorry, but it's mommy's day. She was like, no, it's daddy's day. I'm like, no, it's mommy's day. Ciao. But I'm sorry. I feel bad, but because she want to come home. But I just need to relax. Like, y'all hear that? Y'all hear that? It's peace and quiet. It's peace. Ciao. So I've been watching the Dirty D on Tubi, and it's good. Hey, happy Mother's Day to all the mamas out there. If you're watching this and you're a mom, happy Mother's Day. You deserve everything. You deserve everything and more, and I hope you are being pampered today. And whatever it is that you wanted to do today, I hope that you got to do it. And yeah, nothing goes unnoticed when you're a mom, and you deserve it, girl. So yeah, I'm about to relax all day, take me a nap, do whatever, and I'll talk to y'all later. Ooh, y'all, happy Monday. It's Monday already. Like, y'all, I woke up this morning and there was a rooster. There's a rooster next door that a neighbor has. And oh my God, that rooster be so damn loud. Oh my goodness. That thing woke me up at like 5:20. Then it stopped. Then it kept going. I was just like, you know what? It's time for me to get up anyways. But child, it's raining. This is the type of weather I just want to be in bed. So honey, I'm finna be on it today. I'm finna be on moving fast today so I could hurry up and go home and get in the bed. No part for Malia today because it's gonna be raining. But child, I miss my baby. I haven't seen her since Friday. But child, you need a break from these kids sometimes. What do I have in my jacket? I shouldn't be too cold. I'm probably gonna be good. But yeah, I just got to work. But I think I should end this vlog. Alright, I'm gonna talk to y'all later.